Hello everyone, it's Anshika this side. I've scored 96% in my class 10 boards, and in this video I'm going to be telling you a perfect strategy to score a perfect 100 marks in science class 10 boards. We will be covering how to read NCERT, which books to use, and do we need a reference book or not, and especially the best strategy ever to score a perfect 100 in science. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. And yeah, you have to watch this video without skipping till the very end. So let's get started. Basically, as I always say, NCERT is the most important thing. NCERT is your Bible for boards because your paper is going to be designed straight from the NCERT textbook. Now that we know that NCERT is very important, now the next question arises, how to actually study NCERT. First of all, keep your mind calm, sit with fully focused mind and underline whatever you feel is important. It can be possible that you feel that the whole NCERT is important, every line from each paragraph is important, and that can be, and that will happen definitely. You will feel like everything is important. But this is where the main challenge lies, that you have to understand and identify which thing is important for you. Which are the things that you can retain, which you can learn right now, and which are the things that you need to retain for longer run, like which you will forget easily. You have to remember that for longer run. Okay, so let me be very specific. There are 3 layers in NCERT that lies there. Number 1 layer, that is the basic layer that lies in NCERT. Like जो भी आप paragraph पढ़ोगे, every paragraph that you will read, you will find that it has 2 points, 3 points. You will segregate the points, right? That this line from this point to this point is point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, right? That is the basic underlining that you are doing. That is the basic thing that you are doing. Second thing is the blue and the orange boxes that is given in the side corners of NCERT. That is the second line. That is where the second that is where from the question, that is where the questions come from usually in your class 10 board exams. You cannot leave those blue and the orange boxes. This is very important for you. Now the third layer is the activities. The activities are very important for you. जो questions आपको लगता है ना boards के time पे कि ये questions तो solve नहीं हो रहे तो कहीं पढ़ा ही नहीं था, वो activities में से होता है question हमेशा. You can see that. So आपको activities definitely पढ़ना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Activities सारी पढ़ो, एक बार अच्छे से देखो, उनके आंसर सोल्व करने का ट्राई करो. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. नाउ द सेकंड थिंग इज हाउ टू मेक नोट्स. पहली चीज तो ये है कि आप एनसीईआरटी में नोट्स बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बोला. आई विल शो हाउ आई यूज्ड टू मेक नोट्स, एंड द सेकंड नोट्स इज गोइंग टू बी योर शॉर्ट नोट्स. नाउ हाउ कैन यू प्रिपेयर दैट इज टेक अ ब्लैंक शीट एंड राइट द नोट्स इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स, लाइक पूरी लाइंस ना यूज करके, जस्ट द वर्ड्स यू नीड टू यूज. डू नॉट यूज इज, आर, द, etc. You have to use those things only. That is very important for you, and you have to make 1-page notes, and I can provide you that also, so don't worry about it. Soon I'll be uploading that. Till then you can make your own note. Now the second thing comes is NCERT तो हो गई, चलो क्या ये हमें 100 स्कोर करा देगी? No, the answer is straight no. Not like अगर आप सिर्फ NCERT पढ़ रहे हो तो NCERT तो हर स्टूडेंट पढ़ रहा है. So along with NCERT you need other resource also. बट क्या हमें कुछ ऐसी बुक्स के साथ जाना चाहिए जैसे कि लखमीर सिंह, मंजीत कौर, एस चांद, ऐसी बुक्स को हम फॉलो करें बहुत सारी, बिकॉज हर टॉपर कुछ ना कुछ बताता है. नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट सब अपने अपने एडवाइजेस देते हैं, बट आई थिंक इट्स नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट. इतनी बल्कि बुक्स का क्या करोगे यार, क्लास 10 की बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हैं, एंड यू कैन स्कोर 100 विद ओनली 1 NCERT एंड 1 क्वेश्चन बैंक, एंड दैट्स ऑल यू नीड. क्वेश्चन बैंक्स किस लिए चाहिए? अब हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन बैंक किस लिए पढ़ने होता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं क्वेश्चन बैंक पढ़ो. क्वेश्चन बैंक पढ़ना है सिर्फ क्योंकि मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस तो हम एनसीईआरटी से टैकल कर लेंगे, लेकिन क्वेश्चन बैंक जरूरत है हमें कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के लिए. कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के लिए क्वेश्चन बैंक हमें चाहिए. सो लेट मी टेल यू व्हिच क्वेश्चन बैंक इज गोइंग टू बी द बेस्ट फॉर यू टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन इन साइंस. This is the Oswald question bank of competency based questions. You can see that. Yeah, you can see class 10 boards, and this has all the questions of science exams. It contains of 1000 plus MCQs and case and source based questions, which is going to be really great for you. This question bank not only has science questions, but it has maths and social science questions also. So ये तो आपके लिए ट्रीट हो गई क्या, that it is 3 in 1, right? This question bank is 3 in 1. कि इसमें सारे competency based questions हैं, not only of science but of social science and mathematics also. So I think अगर आपको लग रहा था कि कैसे क्वेश्चन, कौन सा क्वेश्चन बैंक परचेज करें, तो ये आपको तीनों सब्जेक्ट के लिए एक ही क्वेश्चन बैंक में तीनों चीज मिल जाएगी आपको. The most important thing and very good thing about this question bank, it has the positive affirmations you can see by yourself. We have a daily planner as well. You can see by yourself how it is. This is a book by Oswald. This is an all-in-one book which covers science, social science and mathematics, designed strictly as per the latest CBSE guidelines and competency-based questions. This is the science section in first, and here you will see a quick recap, core concept, and the questions are given in level format. Here are the objective type questions. They're very helpful. Then next we have the answers and the level 1 questions, objective 1 questions. Then we have the level 2 questions which are case based questions, and you can see these MCQs. The quality is very good. All the questions are very dynamic and everything. Then second chapter you can see again, here's the similar pattern where you'll see the recap, questions in level format, level 1, level 2, including all the previous year questions also. You can see the previous year questions are marked here, and yeah, they are very helpful for you. So I think this book definitely covers everything. This is the social science section. Again, similar pattern goes here. Level 1 includes basic understanding questions. Level 2 questions are conceptual and application based. The core concept given here makes the quick summary of the whole chapter, and the previous year questions are a big gem because you know that the paper is usually from the previous year questions in science when we are talking about it. So I think this definitely covers everything in science, social science and mathematics all in one book only. All the competency based questions, because CBSE doesn't really ask questions normally right now, but I think all the competency based questions are asked, right, which the students feels difficult to answer. This book covers everything comprehensively and is going to be a great treat for you. So if you want this book, then link is there in the description box. You can definitely check it out and buy this book. So yeah, if you want to go for this question bank, link is there in the comment section and you can purchase this question bank from that link. Don't run after too many books. One question bank and one NCERT is enough for you to score a perfect 100. And the last and the final tip that I would advise you is that how to write answers is very important. How you're gonna write your answers in your board exam, your presentation is very important. So instead of paragraph, use bullet points and pointers. You have to write things in heading and then points. That is going to be really helpful. Draw diagrams wherever possible and you're good to go. Now just talk about the सब्जेक्ट वाइज स्ट्रैटेजी. वे फिजिक्स न्यूमेरिकल्स बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान देना एंड प्रैक्टिस इट एज मेनी एज यू कैन. बायोलॉजी में डायग्राम्स इज द ओनली की and chemistry reactions. You have to do all the three things with very carefulness and you will be very good to go. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and if you really did, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video with your friends. And yeah, that's all. I'll meet you next time with a new and a great video. Till then, bye bye.